Hey guys, I'm Sanglap. I hope you are fine. I'm also doing well. In this video, we are going to talk about FBI. FBI, open up! Not this one. Facebook information and OSI.ig. This is for gathering information of Instagram. Okay, so before we start, now there is a news that I have a website now. Here you can see all my links are here. Also project files and public files are also here. You can see. Okay, this is the public files. You can see. You can download this, and here are the source code links. Do visit my website after the video ends. The link is in the description. So let's stop wasting the time and get started. So let's start with OSI.ig. So here you can see I am in the OSI.ig folder, and we will run the tool by this command python 3 main.py/h for help. Okay, here you can see it showed the command -h or dash help for help, and here you can see you and username. So we are going to crawl a username. I'm going to try my own ID. You can also follow me. So we are gonna type python 3 main.py/u, I mean -u super Sanglap. Okay, here you can see it's showing that it's getting the profile information. So it showed us. Here you can see username, name, URL, followers. Please follow me to increase the number. Following, post, my bio, my website. I mean I hope you will visit it. And here you can see is it private? No, it is not private. And here you can see it's also not verified, and I don't have the money to buy the verified key also. Okay, so here you can see here is a profile pic URL. So we can check this. Open link. So here you can see it showed us the profile picture, and okay, here you can see other things like private or sorry, I showed this. Yeah, sorry, no. So here you can see it showed us that my profile is not private, and these tools sometimes don't work on private profile. I'll show you that also. And here you can see business account connected to FB, none. Joined recently, false. Business category is creators and celebrity. Okay, so here you can see most used tags hacker and game developer. I mean also programming and hacking. Okay, so let's try on Cristiano Ronaldo's account. So we will Cristiano, I hope that's the right spelling. Here you can see Cristiano Ronaldo, and you can see the follower 239 million, following 457. Okay, here you can see 2909 posts and other things like videos, and here you can see the most used tags. And okay, so now test it on private profile. So I'm gonna try to test it on my own friend's profile. Let me show you. Okay, here you can see this is a private account, so I'm gonna use this, and it won't complete the profile method. So here you can see it showed us the username, name, and other things. He used a regional language, so it is showing like that. So here you can see other thing, and business category none, and it can't scrape the tags and other things because it is a private account. Okay, so now we will scrape the user's image details, I mean post details. So I'm going to try it on my own account. So we will just add a parameter of /p. It's for post tracking. Okay, so it's scraped through my recent post. Here you can see my bio and other things, and then here you can see the picture. So my hardware based hacking tools, this is my recent post. Open link. Okay, here you can see this one. So here you can see the hashtags I used: comments visible false, timestamp, like, and location, caption, and whom did I tag. I think this is not the tag. Okay, yeah, sorry, this is the tag. And here you can see the second one. This is the picture of my dog. So let me show you that also. So here you can see, and this showed the recent post, so we can use this on other accounts.
A few moments later.
Now let's try the FBI. Here in the FBI folder, let's run the file by python fbi.py. Before that, if you have not installed the requirement files, do hit this command python txt. This will install the needed file. So I have already installed it, so I'm not gonna do it again. So I'm gonna run the file. Okay, so here you can see the coder is hack9. So we are gonna type help. So here you can see. So here I'm going to type token. So here we will need to generate a token. So the username is DBLSBKYS. Here's the username. The password is Okay, the access token is generated, so I'm again going to run the file. Okay, help. Okay, so here you can see here are options, so we are going to open the bot menu. So here you can see it can do this thing, so I'm not interested in this, so I'm going to help. So here you can see it will by this command get data, it will fetch all the data of the friends, and by get info it will show information about friends. So I'm going to at first dump IDs, so I'm gonna type dump underscore ID. So it has been saved, so let us check this. I'm going to tools API output. Okay, here are the IDs of my friends. You can see it has been dumped. So wait, sorry. So next we will dump phone. So it has been started. So here you can see these are the names. So it is dumping the things. You can see. I'm going to skip it. So we are going to dump mail. I'm also going to skip this. So that's all for this video. Hope you have liked it, and don't forget to hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. You can also support me on Patreon, and my social media links are in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.